Let's have a look at this question. We are given triangle BPQ is congruent to triangle ASR. These are the two congruent triangles given. Other than that, we are given angle A is equal to 1/3 of angle R. Further, it is equal to angle S. Now, let me tell you one point. That means I observed that angle A and angle S, they both are equal. That means this angle A and this angle S, they both are equal and they both are 1/3 of angle R. What I am doing, I am considering this angle as X. This angle is 1/3 of it and this angle is also 1/3 of it. That is the first point. I need to find angle Q. Angle Q lies in this triangle. Now don't get confused, they have given these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, that means angle Q and angle R, these both must be equal, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Angle R is X, that means you need to just find the value of X now. See, if I talk about the basic concept, sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That means you just need to add them and write them is equal to 180 degree by using angle sum property of a triangle. You can, you can make the denominator same. You get 3x upon 3. When all the denominators are same, upper one values will be added. 3x plus x 4x, 4x plus x 5x. So 5x upon 3 is 180 degree. Now cross multiply. This is what we are going to get. Now divide them. In the table of 5 you cancel it, it's 36. 36 times 3 is 108. That means A option 108 is going to be the final answer. See, this was one method where we tried to teach you with the basic method that sum of all the angles is 180 degree. Secondly, when we analyze that I need to find value of X and remaining two angles will be 1/3 of it, you can go with the options also. Like you can start considering the first option, it is 108. If X is 108, then what will be 1/3 of it? 1/3 of it is 36 degree. You can try it. 36 plus 36, 72. 72 plus 108. Total is 180. By trying the first option itself, you will get to know that this is the answer. Since this is, if this comes as an MCQ, you can directly do it. But if students need to attempt this question in exams with 2 marks or 3 marks question, then you will have to write the steps. I hope you are clear with the concepts. Thank you so much for watching this video.